I'll show you how to make a Threads account private. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. All we need to do, we need to open our Threads app and then go to your profile in the right bottom corner. So we'll come to this page where we need to click on edit profile, and as you can see in the bottom of the screen, like the last line here says private profile, and we have like turn on or turn off option. So in order to make our account private, we just simply need to turn it on. Then just click on done in the right top, and basically your account is private now. But we have another way of how can we make our account private. So we can click on more in the right top, or like on this icon near your Instagram icon on two lines, and then click on privacy. And as you can see on the top of the screen, the first line says private profile on or off. And basically in order to make it like private, we can enable this function, and as you can see, only improved followers will be able to see and interact with your contact if you are switching it to private. So I'm going to click on OK. And this is a way of how to make a Threads account private. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.